Did you know that St. Patrick wasn't even Irish? Well, at least he wasn't born in Ireland. St. Patrick's Day is celebrated every year on the 17th of March, honouring the Irish patron saint. Actually, it all started more than 1500 years ago. As a teenager, he was kidnapped from Britain and taken to Ireland as a slave. After several years working as a shepherd, he managed to escape and return home. But the story doesn't end there. Patrick later went to Ireland as a Christian missionary. Legend says he used the shamrock to explain the Holy Trinity, and ever since, it's become a beloved symbol of Irish culture. Another famous story says he kicked all the snakes out of Ireland, though historians believe that was probably just a myth. For centuries, 17th of March marked the anniversary of Patrick's death and was mainly a quiet religious feast day. In 1903, it officially became a public holiday in Ireland. Over time, celebrations grew bigger with parades, music, and festivals. Today, St. Patrick's Day is celebrated all over the world. Cities turn green, people wear shamrocks, and Irish culture takes center stage. Even if you're not Irish, it's the perfect excuse to eat, drink, and have some crack.